So today I am actually doing two things. One is I'm looking for an overage list, and I also was looking for a list for tax liens, even though I don't do tax liens, but there's still a strategy where you can purchase the property and then pay off the lien. So it's kind of like a backdoor way of not having to deal with the auction. And so it's really interesting. The only reason why I'm looking in this county is because I own property here, and I'm trying to buy some land next to my property. And so it's in Ohio, and it's just so interesting. I wish I could circle this stuff. I bet you there's a way I can do that. Guess not. So if you guys noticed right here, it says minimum bid, it's 11,000, but this one was withdrawn. And then, but this one right here where it says status, it says no bid forfeit. So it goes to the state. And so this is the property address. And one of the good things about, stuff going back to the state is that you can actually go back and try to acquire the property. However, with tax liens, it's always easier to contact the owner and see what they want to do with the property, because you can get the owner to transfer in your name, and then you pay, the minimum bid, or you pay what's owed, what they owe on the property. But I always advise, if you're going to do that, make sure you do your due diligence in regards to the property and what type of property it is. And then also too, you want to know like what your exit strategy is going to be, because you don't want to buy something that you cannot resell. Or if you're going to buy it like land, you just got to know that you have someone that's going to buy it unless you're going to build on it. I particularly was looking through this list to find to basically find some properties in some land, so that I could purchase it and possibly build some. If you guys are savvy investors, Ohio is really cheap for cash flow. But I was just looking for land since I already own a property there. I was like thinking I could just build something there. And then this too, it says no bid sold to land bank. So they actually have a bank full of different things of land here. What I really like about this as I was going through this list is there's so much land available. And so I printed up this list and I'm just sharing it with you guys. It's always good. It's just really fun, especially if you're traveling, and you own a corporation. This is like a write-off. I'm going there actually to fix up my other property, but for example, this is in the same county as my property. I don't know where East 123rd Street is, but the minimum bid is 3,000. Nobody bidded on this. I can go and actually purchase this when I'm there, depending upon what it looks like. So I'm just scrolling through this list to just find different properties that I could acquire that did not go to sell. For some strange reason in this county, a lot of these properties did not go to sell. And so this is a perfect opportunity if you're new in this business, and you don't like going to the auctions and you just kind of want to take your own due diligence and work slow. This is a perfect place to start. There's a lot of small counties that have lists like this. They're called over the counter, but this is just a list of the actual, what is it? What am I trying to say? It's the actual results of the auction, which means that no one really bought at this auction and it was actually online. So I just wanted to give you guys the results of this and kind of like let you know how you can go and purchase property, even if you don't go to the auction. If this video was helpful, or if you want to make a comment or subscribe, I would truly appreciate it. And thanks for watching.